Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander. We're going to go over how you replace the headlights in it. This is the high beam headlight, the low beam. Then we've got the blinker or front blinker and also a clearance light. That's a double element bulb. And then we have the parking or side marker light right here. We're going to go over how you replace all of those light bulbs. And so fortunately on this vehicle, we have enough space that we can reach down behind here to be able to replace all the light bulbs. There's one piece you will want to remove to be able to get these two light bulbs out over here, but otherwise there is plenty of space back here. So from the back here, this is the high beam, the low beam, and then up over here is where the other lights would be, and then your blinker is right down here. So we're going to go over how you'd replace the high beam first. So the high beam is right there, and so we're just going to press the connector and be able to unconnect it. And then the light bulb to remove, we just twist it a quarter turn to the left or counterclockwise, and then you'll be able to pull the light bulb out. So this is the light bulb to be removed. And so the high beam headlight is a 9005, and so you get a new 9005 to put in, and if you put it in as at your slight 45 here, then it's right into place. It will only really go in one direction. The tabs on there will only line it up. Then just turn it a quarter turn to the right to lock it in, and then rehook your electric connector. So that's how you replace the high beam headlight on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.